So I ordered these inject papers from Alibaba, and now you can see that it says it lasts about 30 to 50 washes, right? Not true. So I did a test run where I printed it on my shorts or not, and it doesn't. Let me try to use my nail, and as you can see there's a bit of fade here, and I checked it and I realized they were all bluffing. It's not true. It doesn't last long. Anyway, on the first wash, started fading away, and I know that you're not supposed to wash it on the design, but it still doesn't take compared to all the other inject papers in the market. When you're buying from Alibaba, always buy sample. This is the product that I'm talking about. So when you buy from Alibaba, make sure you get some samples and then test it out for yourself. It might cost you a bit more, but it's always best to get samples rather than buying everything in upfront. They don't stick to their commitment. There are good suppliers, but they're also bad suppliers. In my case, I wasn't happy with the product, so I'm not continuing it. I'm only doing fine. Alright, that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, I will be doing a giveaway soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that and hit the bell icon.